Hi dear all, I am Salman Joy. At first take my cordial salam. I hope everybody is very well. I am very good. Shukur Alhamdulillah. Today discussion for Junior Sakib. I am very much for that reason. Actually, it was not good for media. It will be not good for our country. It will be damage our very good image because someone see that video also their comment also that type of people is doing Bangladesh. It will be not good for us. Please avoid that type of mentality and that type of work. Please everything do is positive way. Please don't take it others way because that type of region it will be very bad for media, bad for society also or Bangladesh. I cannot understand why they are doing that way, why they are make that type of story. I can believe it. Why that type of thinking? Why that way they are doing? What the reason? What the benefit? It will be damage whole life. It will be damage society. That is also suffering all of people's because it will be shame for us because bad effect for media, bad effect for society also, people's also family, also our Bangladesh. I request to all of peoples or video creator, please that type of work, please stop it. Also, a few months ago, Mamun and Laila, they are that they are doing very bad story. That type of couple is not good for society, not good for the family, not good for the our Bangladesh. Please don't do this. That is my request. Don't broken our good image. Please control yourself, control your everything, and do anything story for your creator that is good for all. Thank you so much. All the best.